Namaskar. I, Anil Dhingra, MD and CEO, IFCO MC Crop Science. Through this message, extend my gratitude to all my brothers and sisters from the farming families, all our channel partners, stakeholders who have been associated with us all along, and through their support, we have come that far. Friends, IFCO MC Crop Science is a joint venture between the pride of cooperatives called IFCO and globally renowned company called Mitsubishi Corporation. This company is celebrating its 7th foundation day on 28th of August 2021. This organization was primarily formed to cater to the crop protection needs of the farmers, and the organization is continuously progressing, keeping farmer-centric policies in forefront. Built on the roots of farmers' trust for IFCO and Mitsubishi Corporation, we have moved from our earlier punchline, same trust, a new beginning. In Hindi we call it Bharosa Wahi Shurwaat Nahi, to now your support, our trust. Saath aapka, Vishwas hamara. Started with just 16 products in 2015, we have now more than 60 products in offering to farmers for their crop solution needs, catering to the requirement of herbicides, insecticides, and fungicides, including plant growth promoters. So all these products are inducted in our portfolio, keeping the requirements of the various pests which attack our crops, and for their protection we have a balanced portfolio to offer to you. Our organization is now catering to the needs of vast geographies of the country, from apples in Kashmir to plantations down south in Kanyakumari and tea gardens in Assam in the east, to grapes and pomegranate in Maharashtra in the west, and going extreme west to cotton and groundnut in Gujarat. Right from the beginning, IFCO MC Crop Science has kept its objective of right product at the right price in the forefront. We always think of farmers' interest before taking any decision. That's why we have not introduced any red triangle product which is very harmful during the application. The premises on which IFCO MC was formed was aimed with a vision of providing, making available quality insecticides, pesticides to farming families, to farmers in particular, at affordable price. With that objective, we have set our mission to provide farmers with high quality products, give them right education to use those products, and training while making available new generation molecules. Since all our policies are framed around farmers' interests in mind, we have kept our MRP at reasonable level, and all the products have MRP printed on the packs at which it is supposed to be made available to the farmers. That reduces confusion in the mind, and farmers cannot be misled, as this price is applicable across the country. Dear friends, I would also like to emphasize that IFCO MC is the only company in the agrochemical sector of the country, rather world, which provides free accidental insurance to its customer farmers. Any farmer which purchases IFCO MC products gets insured from the 31st day of purchase to another 12 months thereon. And as he keeps on purchasing products, the insurance coverage also increases with a maximum limit of rupees 1 lakh. So farmers, friends, you can easily see that we not only care for our farmers but also their families in case of any adversity or eventuality of that kind. And this product called Kisan Suraksha Bima Yojana is free of cost for our customer farmers. Well, friends, let me also tell you that with the help of our Japanese partners, Mitsubishi Corporation, we are in process of bringing in new molecules which will be coming to our country for the first time. These are going to provide you a reasonable and very effective solution for herbs control, for insects control, as well as for disease control. And our research team is actively pursuing all these molecules, and we should be able to provide you with these molecules shortly after following the regulatory procedures. Dear friends, the number 7 has a magic woven around it. There are 7 colors in the rainbow. There are 7 notes in the music. And we are also celebrating the 7th year of our foundation. All these years we have faced many challenges, and the new challenge which has come up for the entire world since last year has been Corona pandemic. We have not only educated our own team to ward off the infestation from this disease, to take adequate care, we have also been actively talking to our farmers, to our channel partners, to all the stakeholders as to the precautions that need to be taken, which are well known but need to be emphasized again and again, like putting on masks, keeping social distancing, keep sanitizing your hands and mouth, and all these things which are well known, but somehow we have seen that all these points need to be hammered to ourselves as well as to our society, so that people keep following them. This is the only remedy for Corona, and of course nowadays vaccination is also something very important which has come up, and it has to be followed by everybody for the benefit of the society at large. Before I end my message, I would once again like to extend my gratitude to the farming families who have been our pillars of growth, to all our stakeholders, our distribution agents, our channel partners in particular who make available all our products, and all those who extend support from the front or from the back for the growth of the company. And this particular opportunity is for IFFCO MC Crop Science to extend its gratitude to all of them. With those words, I pray Almighty for a good health, happiness, and your safety. Namaskar.